So you just got Adobe Photoshop and you want to create a YouTube video. I'm trying to make a thumbnail. I'm here to help you. I'm going to teach you 3 simple methods to make that thumbnail right now. That was a bluebird. Let's see if we could get the bluebird real quick. Ta-da. Ta-da. I don't have that good of a lens. Never mind. Wow, it's right there actually. It's amazing. Crikey. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. Hi and welcome to Design a Day. Today, I'm going to show you 3 quick tips that I believe will help you with your thumbnails. The YouTube standard thumbnail composition size is 1280 by 720. Stroke is your best friend. Adjust the size, position, blend mode, and opacity to your liking. The position is whether or not the stroke is inside or outside of whatever you're trying to create it on. Play with it until it's the way you want it to look. After creating the stroke, you could copy its layer style and just easily paste that layer style to whatever object you want that stroke to be on. Add another layer of dimension to your text by adding some drop shadow. Right here you could see that the drop shadow forms on top of our stroke, which I believe adds a lot of depth to the text and can help your text stand out. Outer glow is also useful. Adjust its spread, size, range, and jitter, as well as the opacity, and use noise if you want to. Outer glow could really help your text stand out within your thumbnails. And just like that, that's 3 quick tips for thumbnail design. If you like this video and want more design tips, subscribe to my channel for daily design content.